So this is my note-taking device on Google Keep. I have three notebooks right here for my course theme, my family, and then Purdue softball. So on here, I'm on the Purdue softball one, and I have each little individual sticky note is a note. So I have a note for my practice scheduling and volunteering, bullpen notes, hitting notes, and then game days. So on here, you can click on the note. And then I have a YouTube video like discussing some of the notes about throwing, and it'll take you directly to it. If you go to my course theme, I have some notes here, and there's some links to some websites, and I was able to make some notes on what's on the website. So like for these ones, I took notes on what it discusses, and on some of the notes, you can make like a list and tally off which like things that are completed,